Hello there, welcome. I want us to solve this equation right before us. So we need to find the value of x in this equation. Now what do? The first thing I'll do is to find a way of dropping this exponent x. Just put it at the same level here. That means I have to take the logarithm of both sides. Watch this now. I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides. It's going to be log the square root of x raised to the power of x is equal to the logarithm of what? X. From one of the laws of logarithm, if you have, say, log a raised to power b, you can take this exponent to the front of the logarithm and it becomes it becomes b log a. So that's exactly what I'll do. In fact, that's the reason why I applied logarithm to both sides of the equation. Okay, let's get right on it now. Now it's going to be x log the square root of x is equal to log x. So what's the next thing I'll do? I want to express this square root of x as this. From one of the laws of indices, when you have a radical like this, it can be expressed as an exponent of 1 over 2. All right, so the square root of x is equal to x raised by 1 over 2. Now, that's what I'll do here. I'm going to write this square root of x to become x raised to the power of 1 over 2. So it becomes x log x raised by half is equal to log x. So the next thing now is to move this raised by half to the front as we did earlier, one of the laws of logarithm. So it's going to be 1 over 2 times x log x is equal to log x. Now 1 over 2 times x here is going to be what? X over 2. So just write x over 2, then log x is equal to log x. I am going to transpose log x to the left hand side. So I'm going to have x over 2 log x and then minus log x is equal to 0. All right. Now, if you look at this term and this term, what do you think is common? Of course, log x. So let's factor out log x. And when you open the bracket, you have x over 2 because log x into this, you have x over 2. So that's why I have x over 2 here. Minus log x will go into log x. What would we have? 1. So I'll write 1 here. All is equal to 0. From zero product rule, if you have log x and this x over 2 minus 1 all is equal to 0, the product of these two is equal to 0. It means that log x will be equal to 0 or x over 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's solve this further. This logarithm has a base of 10, so it's not written. So if you want to move this, if you want to rewrite this in indices form, as indices, we are going to have x is equal to 10 raised to the power of 0. Or, what about here now? I will transpose negative 1 to the right hand side. So you have x over 2 is equal to 1. Now, what is 10 raised to the power of 0? It is 1. So x is equal to 1. Or, if you cross multiply like this, 1 times x is x, and then 2 times 1, as we have here, is what? 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Now, we've gotten the value of x as what? As 1 or 2. So this is the value of x, either 1 or 2. It will satisfy the equation. Now, let's do a quick test. What is the equation again? Let me rewrite it and let's test it to see if what we have on the left hand side is what we're going to have on the right hand side. So again, you have root x raised to the power of x is equal to x. This is the original equation. Now, when x is equal to 1, let's plug in 1 into this equation. So you have the square root of 1, all raised to the power of what? 1 is equal to x is 1. So what I have on the left hand side, will it give me what I have on the right hand side? The square root of 1 is 1, and 1 raised to the power of 1 is what? 1. So I have 1 here as well. So what about when x is 2? Let's plug in 2 into this same equation and let's see what we're going to have. So that will be the square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 2. So let's see if what we have on the left hand side will give us what we have on the right hand side. Okay, now look at this. This square will get rid of the square root, so you have 2, and then you also have 2 on the right hand side. So what do you have? The two values that we have gotten of x satisfy the original equation. Hence, the value of x is equal to 1 or 2. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Do well to share this video to your friends and family. I'll catch you in the next one. It's bye for now.